Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being a very popular color. Features also include keyless entry, bucket seats, steering wheel controls, MP3, hands-free Bluetooth integration. With these ratings, looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2018 Honda HR-V. The HR-V has a good-looking exterior with a clean design. It comes with a well-tuned suspension and a handsome and flexible interior with tons of options to choose from, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, air conditioning, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats, FWD, AM/FM stereo radio. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.